Hello kids! How are you? I am your reading teacher today. This is Emmy M. Pinales from Oroquieta City Central Elementary School of the Division of Oroquieta City. This is our story. The title is The Frog and the Ox. It is retold by Bose S.E. Pastor, and this is joint publication of Lampara Publishing House Incorporated and Precious Pages Incorporation. Are you ready to listen? Yes! Are you excited? Very good! But before I will read this story, I will let you remind of some things to do while we are having our story. First, sit in a very comfortable position. Second, keep yourself distance from one another. Third, always wear your face mask. Fourth, pay attention as I read the story. Fifth, if you want to ask questions, just raise your hand and ask politely. Are you ready, kids? Very good. The Frog and the Ox. Have you seen an ox? Yes, this is an ox. Have you seen a frog? Yes, these two are frogs. Where can you usually find the frogs? Very good. Frogs are usually found in the garden. Others are found in the pond. What do you think would happen to this father frog? Now, let us unlock first some of the difficult words found in the story. First, ox. What is an ox? Ox has a characteristics like a cow. Second, pond. What is a pond? A pond is an area that filled with water that is smaller than a lake. Third, meadow. What does meadow mean? A meadow is a land that mostly covered with grass. Fourth, inhale. What is inhale? Inhale means to breathe in, like this. Fifth, burst. What is burst? Burst means to explode. Like a balloon. Balloon is a thing that easily explodes. Now, let us start reading the story. There was once a young frog who lived with his father in the pond. One time, the young frog hopped into the meadow with his friend. They saw an ox grazing. "What a big frog!" the young frog said. It was his first time to see an ox. "He's not a frog," his friend said. "Don't mind him." Do you think the young frog listened to his friend? But the young frog would not listen to his friend. He rushed back to the pond and told his father about the big frog. "Father, he's the biggest frog I've ever seen," he said. Can you guess the reaction of the father frog? Let us see. "No other frog could be bigger than me," the father frog said. He soaked in air to make himself bigger. "Is he this big?" "No, father, The young frog said. He sucked in air to make himself bigger. Is he this big? No, Father, bigger! The young frog said. Do you think the father frog would accept that someone is bigger than him? The father frog could not accept the fact that another frog was bigger than him. I'm the biggest frog in this place, he said. Guess what happened next? And so, the father frog kept on inhaling. And he grew bigger and bigger and bigger until flopped. What happened to the father frog? That's right, the father frog burst.
Now,
That's the end of our story. Do you like our story? I'm sure you do. Now, let us answer our massive question. What do you think would happen to the father frog? The father frog burst. Very good. Let's proceed to the comprehension check questions. Who are the characters in the story? The ox, the father frog, the young frog, and his friend. That's right! Where did the story happen? The story happened in the pan. Very good! Why does the father frog burst? The father frog burst because he inhaled too much air. Excellent! What is the moral of the story? The moral is, do not let the pride take over you. Thank you for listening, children. Again, this is your teacher, Emmy Empinales of the Division of Oroquieta City. Until next time, bye! God bless!